So I'm excited. After 2 weeks, my Chippewa boots have finally arrived. And here is the unboxing. So you just flip this open. We got a certificate of authenticity. Plastic bags on both of them. Oh, wooey! The leather smells amazing. Absolutely love the Vibram sole. The leather feels super high quality. As you can see, there's the nice border here where the stitching meets the sole. I don't know what this scuff is. Not happy about that. And we got some wax cotton laces. All in all, I'm pretty excited. I think these are going to pair really well with either my unbranded raw denim or my Edwin raw denim. And I'll keep you posted. And I look forward to your comments. Thanks so much.